Hello my beautiful friends, so welcome to my channel. How you guys are doing? Let me know on the comment sections below. Also include what you guys want me to do on my next video. And today I have like normal topic to chit chat with you guys. It's kind of chit chat kind of videos, and today I'm only going to talk about my acne experience, tips and tricks that I'm including these days that are really working out for me. It's not kind of specific ingredient or remedies or product that I'm using. It's more of like hygienic side, so anybody can use it easily, can incorporate on your daily routine so that you can get a clear skin. As you guys can see that my skin is not totally clear because I'm still on my way to get clear skin. I experienced like gigantor pimples on my face that really freaked me out, and on my last videos there are like bumpy pimples, and now I'm like getting like flat skin. I have some scars and redness, but I'm still on my way to get clear skin. I hope one day I will. Today I'm only gonna talk about my acne and acne experience and the mistakes and tips and tricks. So I know you guys might be feeling like why she is doing acne story and acne tips and tricks videos. There are tons out there, but I want to share my experience, and I hope how somewhere it might work for you guys. Everybody's skin types and everybody's environment and everybody's like climates are different around all over the world. But to be honest with you guys, my tips and tricks are more of a like hygienic side, so anybody can incorporate on their daily routine. It doesn't take time, it is affordable, and anybody can do this. So without any further delay, let's get started. First off, I want to tell to you guys that you know better than anybody else about your skin. So you are the one who can analyze, who can experiment about what product to use, what product is reacting to your skin. You are the one who knows better than anybody else. So when you get pimples on your face, like when you get gigantor pimples onto your large area, you might get like a product recommendation, like home remedies, tips and tricks, do this, do that. I used to get a lot of suggestions. I did that mistake and I did use one product. Like I waste my money and I waste my time because that product was not working out for me. I want you guys to don't do that mistake. First, go to dermatologist, because you only know what is going on your outer layer of skin. You don't know what is in a part of your body. Your body is allergic to anything, or somehow it's not working good, so that you are breaking out. So first go to dermatologist. They might first test your blood and give you medications. So they might give you wash, acne treatment cream. Follow that and see how it does not work like next day. You have to keep patience on that, and it will work definitely. You guys might thinking that what am I saying, like everybody go to their dermatologist, everybody take their medications. I just want to convey that don't use products that are recommended by anybody else. First go to dermatologist and heal your acne from inner as well as outer part of your body. So that's what I want to tell to you guys. I use Garnier Blackhead Eliminator Salicylic Treatment Scrub, and that really work out for me. That is like acne treatment, salicylic treatment, so it's very good for your acne. And I sometimes use daily if I get oily skin, otherwise I'll use every other day. I know it's not good to use scrub every day, but with a light hand and only 1 minute of your scrubbing, you are like totally good to go. And to rinse your skin, don't use hot water from your tap because it's very harmful for your acne. Cold water is best for your acne. I experienced that when I use hot water, it was like so my skin like feels very itchy, and I don't know, I'm like allergic to it, or I don't know how you guys feel. I feel that, so that's what I want to tell to you guys. Use cold water, no matter how cold is bad, just use cold water. I started to use a paper towel, and you can also use tissues like napkins like this one. This is like more than enough to wipe your face. Pat dry your face for one wash, and it's like cheap and affordable ideas for you. You cannot buy like towels every day, and my issue was I don't want to wash towels and use it. So this is my cheapest and affordable idea to get new towels every day, so I use that. Also, make sure that your skin is oil free throughout the day and before going to bed, because oils makes your skin very greasy, itchy, and that causes more pimples and acne. So make sure to wash your face twice or thrice a day, because it's very important to make your skin oil free throughout the day before going to bed. That is the must thing that I have experienced. And the next thing is drink water. I know it sounds like very common and general. Everybody recommends you, everybody tells you, everybody yells at your ear that you should drink water when you are getting like pimples. And I experienced that, and I used to get irritated with that. Everybody's telling me to drink water and that's not helping me out. What is this going on? And so. But you cannot deny the fact that you have to drink water. Through this video, I want to convey that if you are on your medications, like I'm on my medications, and if you used to take 5 glasses of water before medications, you have to double up the quantity of your taking water. You have to take 10 glasses to hydrate your skin, because medication make your body very dehydrated. So you have to take water to balance out. Especially I experience dry lips and outer part of my lips very dry, so I try to drink as much as water. You guys might be thinking to grab out me from your screen and yells at me, why are you telling us to drink water? But you have to drink water, so drink water. Change your pillowcase. I used to change my pillowcase once a week, but that is not enough for me. So I change my pillowcase every other day. I just use each side each day. Like today I use one pillowcase, I flip other side and I use other day. Your skin produce more oil while you are sleeping, so it's transferred to your pillowcase, and that's how you get your pillowcase oily. And when you reuse that day by day, then it might harm to your skin. You might get more acne, and you might like freak out. Everything that I trying, why is it not working to me? I used to feel same. So change your pillowcase. It is somehow gonna work, I'm pretty much sure. And the next thing is make sure that your second day or your third day hair is out of your face. Like if you wash your hair today, then let it open. It's no matter, it's clean, so it can touch to your face. If in second day, make sure that your hair is out of your face, because your hair produce oil as well. I have oily scalp, and my second day and third day hair is like very oily and greasy. Washing hair every day is not good for your hair. Especially I wash my hair like twice a week, so I make sure that my hair is away from my face. I experienced that when I open my second day and third day hair, when I let it come to my face, it somehow pokes to my skin and irritates and feel itchy, and next day I get like more pimple. So it's like a very irritating kind of sensations to my face, and I used to tie up my hair back. Yes, make sure to keep hair out of your face, especially when you're on the days when you are not washing your hair. And the next thing is stay away from makeup. I know it's very difficult. You might have some events or party or date or something else like to attend. You have to skip makeup to get clearer skin, because makeup somehow blocks your pores or blocks your acne, your acne cannot breathe, and somehow it feels like you might get like more acne, or you might get like more irritations and huge pimple again, so you might freak out again. And yes, it's very difficult to skip makeup, but you have to. I know there are like more high-end products and high-end brands that you can use it, but I feels like it's better to not to use. In last video you can see that I use makeup, and somehow I have to use makeup on my videos, so I cannot incorporate no makeup onto my daily routine. But I make sure that if I'm wearing makeup, that I remove as soon as I'm done. I make sure that there is no makeup left onto my face, and I let my skin breathe and relax. Drink lots of water. Just make sure to remove as soon as it's possible. That somehow helps to you. You might get something from me through this video. If you guys incorporate these things, these tips and tricks, definitely you'll see some changes to your skin. I'm pretty much sure about it. No matter wherever you live, whatever your skin type is, you can see like I'm here without makeup. I have nothing onto my skin today, and I only have some eyeliners and some lipstick, and this is my no makeup face. I somehow try to use not makeup talk to you guys. Excuse this no makeup face, and please let me know on the comment sections below if you guys incorporate any of these tricks and how it worked for you. Also, if you want more videos, update videos about my acne story, my acne experience, then please let me know on the comment sections below. I love to do for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let's begin journey together, and let's see how it works, and one day we will be acne free. So I'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay happy. Love you all. Bye.